You probably recognise me as the head of distance education, which I am, but my role is about to change. My family and I are setting sail and heading north on our sailboat for the remainder of the year. So my new role is a home tutor. I'm going to be homeschooling my 3 children. I have one boy in year 3 and a girl and a boy, both in year 5. So today I'm going to unpack a year 3 box for you. It's important to remember that every box will differ because each year level studies different subjects at different times. So today it's the year 3 box. Let's unpack. What to first? I have my starter letter. This has all the contact information on that I need. Then we have our resource lists. It's really important that as you unpack the box that you check off you're not missing anything from your resource list. If you are missing something, please make sure that you send an email with exactly what you're missing using the distance education email at the bottom of this letter. What to first? The Home Tutor Handbook. This is going to be really important for you as a home tutor. It tells you what to expect. It has in it logins, how to access Schoology, how to get started, possible timetable, overview, and a checklist weekly for all of the work that you need to complete. Next, we have our assessments. All assessments are packaged in a sealed white envelope. What would I do next? I'm going to get everything out of my box and I'm going to put it in piles. That's just the way I like to do things. So first of all, we've got English. There's quite a few books that go with English. We've got a My Word book. This is a dictionary, comprehension, writing time, sound waves, and of course our student workbooks. And again, our assessment in a white envelope. Next we have maths. Again, quite a pile. We have iMaths, we have workbooks, but we also have differentiation tasks. And this is where you're able to give your students easier or harder tasks to suit them best. We've got HASS. HASS is humanities, which is citizenship, geography and history. We've got science, some paper, HPE, technology, and Christian living. So this is all of our curriculum, and this is the work that the students will complete. We also have a starter box, and the starter box contains all of the specialist equipment that you're going to need to help your children learn. So we have coloured paper. In this box we have art set, we have counting blocks, money, counters, tape measure, dice, and some extra reading material for them. So all of this is what I need for my first term's worth of learning with my year 3 student. Once you've got to grips with your Home Tutor Handbook and how that correlates to the student workbooks, now it's time to bring the kids in, bring your students in, and show them the bigger picture, what they're working towards and how they're going to get there. I think if students can understand what the journey is and the pathway, helps them to really get to grips why it is that they're doing it and what they are doing. So spend time going through the booklets with them, showing them what their end piece of assessment is and how they're going to get there. Couple of things to include: brain breaks. A teacher never expects a student to work for 4 hours without having a break. So make sure you incorporate those breaks into your teaching time with your students as well. Another thing every teacher in the land uses is bribery. Don't feel that you can't. It doesn't need to be chocolate or money. It can be as simple as a reduced chore, fruit snack, a swim in the pool, or maybe even finishing early because they've done so well. Make sure you use them. Being at home with your kids and teaching and learning alongside them is an amazing opportunity, and I can't wait to do it with mine, albeit on the boat.